So you landed on this video because you want to see me withdraw $4,306, and I'm going to do it live. All right, let's get to it. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? It's Kawan Money Mail, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, including this one. And all right, look, I've been documenting my whole journey here. So I've been documenting both. Because some people gonna be watching this video saying, just show us how much you made from the trades. So look, I got videos where I've done exactly that. All right, where you can see exactly how much I deposited, and you can watch my whole journey, good, the bad, the ugly, and so far it's been all good, no ugly, of my trade results. Then I also have videos like this where you actually can see from the affiliate side of things in case you want to make money from the residual side as well. And then you can see when I make actual withdrawals, you can see how much I'm actually making, so forth and so on. That way you see everything that Copy Pro Trades has to offer. All right. So let's just go ahead and dive right in and go ahead and show you. So I'm going to go on my commission. And as you can see right here, when you look at my commissions, okay, year to date, I've already made over $8,000, as you can see. But right now, for today, we're going to be drawing a little bit over 4, and that's before mining fees. Okay, so also keep that in mind. So you see right here, we got the network mining fees. So withdraw commissions. Are you sure you want to withdraw your commissions? Yep. Okay, now you see a 0, so I'm gonna pull up. All right, so I just went over and pulled up my Exodus wallet, and as you can see, after some fees, you can see the funds right there. Okay. All right, so the only negative that I can say, if I had to say one bad thing about CPT, and it's not really them, it's the network, but it's the fees. The fees are too high. That's the only thing. The fees are high. As you saw. We transferred, turned it to 2,700. Start off, I think it was a little over 3,000. So the fees are just extremely high. But with that being said, profit is profit. And that's how I also look at that as well. So with me making profit and me making affiliate commissions, 21 turns into 16 or $17. Crazy, right? But at the end of the day, that's 17 more dollars that I had, and it didn't come out of my pocket. It just came from me sharing an opportunity with somebody, and then they liked it too, and then we both benefit from the system. So when I put things in perspective like that, it's still a win-win all the way around the board, right? So even if I made 8,000 and be able to pocket 5, I can't say I only made 5,000. What do you mean? There's no such thing as a only 5,000, right? So my mom always taught me to look at things half full, not half empty, and that's just one of my ways of doing just that, because like I said, at the end of the day, I'm winning more than I'm losing. All right. So real short, straight to the sweet, to the point. I'm going to be doing more videos. I'll be doing another one showing exactly, my trade amount and, where that's at. That's been going good as well. Actually, I'll give y'all a sneak peek right now, but it's been going awesome. Can't say nothing about that. If you look at my trade history, you'll see that it has just been an awesome ride. Let's put this at all, and you can see that everything is in the green. We still got some open trades here and right here, but look at this, just lovely. We even had a $300 trade win. That was nice. Some nice ones. Look at this right here. Nice. That's over $200, almost $300 trade right there. Here go another one. So some nice trades, some real good ones that we've been able to take. And as you can see, almost all in the green. Very, 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 very low losses. Look at that. 7 losses, I believe. Out of 128 trades. So awesome ride. Can't say enough about CPT. The trades alone make it worth it, and what you're able to, like I said, earn. And this is on your Kraken account, so you don't have to worry about, the company ever running off with your money or folding, and then all of a sudden your money's gone with it. Nope. The company folds, my money stays on my account, in my Kraken account, on the exchange. So we're all to the good. And as you can see right here, we're still in profit. Okay, just started off at 5,400. And as you can see, we up, and mostly all in the green as well. And with a couple of trades in the red, but these don't usually close out until he's actually back in the green. So That's the sweet part about that. So I'll do another video as soon as when I'm ready to show the balance and we close out or whatever the case may be, or hit for another profit, then I'll show it again. But again, we showing everything from beginning to end, the good, the bad, the ugly, and there's really no ugly because as you can see, we are in the green, baby. All right. So if you want to take advantage of what I'm taking advantage of, you want to have a truly passive income, this is a truly passive income opportunity right here, because you literally are not paying for anything, and you're literally just, and you don't have to recruit nobody. Excuse me, that's what I mean. You don't have to recruit nobody. You don't have to get no sales. You just pay your monthly $99, and then what? You actually get the copy of Pro Traders Trades on autopilot. Okay. And if you actually want to earn, then you see you can earn from that as well. Residual income, I say, why leave any money on the table? Since it's free to do so, you might as well take advantage of both. And now you earn from sharing, and you actually earn from being in the system. So if you like what you see, you're ready to join, then hit that link below, cptelite.com, and we'll get you going. Or if you got questions, you know I got answers, call me, 619-306-9453. I love to answer any questions that you may have. Until the next one, oh, wait, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so. All right. Hit that subscribe. That way you get known and you hit notified when I do these videos. Hit the bell. All right. I appreciate you. See you on the next video. Till then, have a blessed day.